Nifty's bullish consolidation ahead of key events. Will Powell's speech bring more fireworks? GIFT Nifty is slightly lower, indicating bullish consolidation to be the preferred theme for benchmark Nifty. Overnight, Wall Street traded flat to lower as investors were seen hitting pause button after recent magnificent rally. All bullish eyes now turn to the two big events of the week. 1. The July FOMC meeting minutes to be released Wednesday, 21st August. 2. Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole Conference on Friday. We will however spy with one big eye if Powell echoes the market drum of hinting with a 50 bps move. Ahead of 18 September FOMC meeting, the street will eye the key economic data still to be released. 1. ISMs. 2. August NFP. 3. CPI. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1458 crores, while DIIs bought to the tune of Rs 20 to 52 crores. Nifty sentiments continue to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating solid rebound play. FANDO August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,900 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 13.82 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.34 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.89. Nifty outlook, range-bound session quite likely as investors await Fed minutes. Nifty, CMP to 4699. Key intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,523 mark. Immediate resistance is placed at 24,771 mark. Range for the day is between 24,600 and 24750. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 50803. Bank Nifty's biggest support seen only at 50,000 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 51,151 mark. Bank Nifty is likely to trade between 50,500 and 51300. Bias for the day is positive. Nifty's last 3 days rally is again seen inspiring FOMO attraction at Dalal Street, and most importantly, the street is actually hoping for more fireworks at the Powell speech at the Jackson Hole Conference on Friday, 23rd August. Interestingly, the gains are despite FII's pessimistic view. Please note, FIIs are on the sell side and have sold shares worth 33,000 crores rupees since the union budget. Much of the strength and rally at Dalal Street is on backdrop of steady SIP flows by retail investors. DIIs so far in August have net bought stocks worth 36,000 crore rupees. DIIs have reportedly invested 2.92 lakh rupees crore in Indian equities thus far.